How to add friends in HiPal. Hey guys, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to add friends in HiPal. So let's go. So the first thing you have to do is to ensure that you have the HiPal app downloaded on your mobile phone from your Google Play Store. Then you open it. Once you open it, this is the you set up the profile and all. And so this is the interface that was going to be displayed right on your screen. So HiPal app is basically for chatting, where you can reach out to your friends, to your loved ones, or to your family members. It's a non-formal setting where you can reach out, chat with people, and do a lot of interesting things for fun. Okay, so and now back to the question: how to add friends in HiPal. So what you have to do is you take a look at the lower part of the screen where you have the chat icon, you also have the membership icon. Okay, at the top left corner you also have the settings icon. Then at the top right corner you have the add friend icon. Okay, so since we want to know how to add friends, you simply go to the you can either go to the top right corner where you have the add friend icon. You see the image of someone with the plus, that's the additional icon. You click on it at the top right corner, then a drop down will be displayed on your screen, showing you several ways by which you can add friends. So you can add friends through scanning or using the QR code or using code. Okay, so now the other way to add friends in HiPal is at the lower part of your screen. You see two icons. You see the chat icon and the membership icon. Simply click on the chat icon and the page will be displayed on your screen where you have your name, then you have the HiPal help, then the next option after HiPal help is add a friend. You simply click on the option add a friend. Then this same drop down will be displayed on your screen telling you can add a friend by scanning. It means you're going to scan the QR code of the friend you want to add. You can use QR code or use code. Okay, so you can use any of these options to add friend in HiPal. I hope you find this video insightful. So this is simply how to add friend in HiPal. Thank you.